Damn it. That's not gonna work.
Just try it, dude.
No fucking way.
Yeah, dude, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna go down a little bit.
Dude, if I fall into that though, I'll have a fucking panic attack.
But it's not gonna fall, dude. It's just flimsy on the bottom end.
Yes.
See?
I'm gonna hang upside down, do a thumbs up.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah. Now what are you doing?
Fuck. Fuck! I can't get back over! I'm tired! Dude, what do I do?
Just slide down.
I'm gonna slide into the water! Fuck! Dude, so fucked. Dude, please help.
What do you want me to do, man?
I don't know. Dude, I'm gonna fall in the water. Dude, it's like freezing. You think it's frozen? I'll just fall on top?
No, dude. There you go. Slide down. There you go.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. Dude. Can I assume you're recording?
No, I'm taking a lot of pictures.
Dude, I'm